What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Buick Envision unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and our vehicle's locked. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to use this emergency key to remove this cap on the driver's door. So if we take a look underneath this cap, you'll see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my key and carefully just stick it straight up in that notch, wiggle it just a little bit, and that cap will come off like that. Now I'll use the emergency key to unlock the driver's door, put it in and turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock. And after you unlock the door, it's a good idea to go ahead and throw your key back in your fob, just so you don't lose it. And as far as this cap goes, normally I might wait till the end to put this back on after I've started the vehicle, but let's go ahead and take a look at how this goes on now. So that notch, of course, goes on the bottom, and then this will just snap right on, like that. Now, as soon as I open the door, the vehicle is going to start beeping, and we're going to have about 10 seconds to start the vehicle before the full-blown alarm goes off. How we're going to start the vehicle with a dead key fob is we're going to get in, place it kind of a certain way in the center console, which I'll show you, and then we'll be able to start the vehicle as normal. All right, let's give it a shot. So you can hear the vehicle beeping at me there. Open the center console. Place the key fob in there like that, and now we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. And you probably heard there, I didn't get to it quite in time and the actual alarm went off. But as you saw, once you start the vehicle, it will stop the alarm. So just taking another look, that's how that key fob needs to sit down in the center console. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive it as you normally would. The only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in this key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to change the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.